Hello and welcome to New Millennium. You've been asked to watch this short video for two reasons. First, we care about your safety, and it's our job to prepare you for our highly productive factory environment. Hi, Gretchen.
Hi. So before we get started on this short tour, let's go over a few things. A hard hat, safety glasses with side shields, long sleeves, or a flame-resistant jacket. Sturdy boots or shoes must be worn in the plant at all times. And we can't forget earplugs.
Okay, everybody, have a fun tour and I'll see you afterwards, and be safe.
Let's go.
First rule, stay with your tour guide. Stay within the designated walkway. And stay away from restricted areas. Look for and obey all warning signs. There are many moving parts, sharp edges, and hot materials. Do not touch any equipment or products. Do not get distracted. Stay aware of what's in front of you. And do not look directly into the welding flash. On steps and bridges, always use handrails. When entering a new area, always look up. Overhead crane movements are everywhere. In the rare event that there is a fire alarm or other evacuation emergency, continue to stay alert as you move to the nearest pedestrian exit, and never exit through an overhead or equipment door.
Welcome back. I hope you found our safety video to be very informative. We need to follow all of these safety procedures.
It's a lot to take in. But that's why we've also prepared this short written orientation.
Just complete this and you'll be ready for the actual tour of our plant.